In this video, I'll show you how to attach a document to Gmail quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. This is a super useful skill whether you're sending a resume, a school assignment, a business file, or any important document to someone by email. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, how to upload your file, and how to send it with confidence. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. You can do that by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the Gmail page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Enter your email address and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. After you're signed in, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen. Click Compose to open a new email message. This is where you'll build the email that includes your document attachment. Now enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure you type it carefully because even a small typo can send the file to the wrong person. If needed, you can also add people in the CC or BCC fields, but for now, just focus on the main recipient. Next, add a subject line. Keep it clear and simple so the person receiving the email knows what it's about right away. Then type your message in the body of the email. You might want to write a short greeting, explain what the document is, and mention anything the recipient should know before opening it. Once your email is ready, look at the bottom of the Compose window. You'll see the Paperclip icon, which is the Attach Files button. Click that icon to begin attaching your document. A file browser window will appear, showing the files and folders on your computer. Now find the document you want to send. This could be a Word document, PDF, spreadsheet, or another supported file type. Click once on the file to select it, and then click Open. Gmail will start uploading the file into your email. Depending on the size of the document and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. While the file is uploading, just wait until you see it appear in the bottom of the message window as an attached file. If you want to attach more than one document, you can repeat the same process and click the Paperclip icon again to add another file. Just make sure everything you need is attached before sending. Now take one last look at your recipient, subject line, message, and attachment. This is always a good time to double check everything before you send it. Once you're sure it looks right, click send, and that's it. You've successfully attached a document to Gmail and sent it by email. See, it's a really simple process once you know where the attach button is. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. And if you want, check out our other videos for more Gmail tips, email tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.